I started out wanting to explore space. As a young kid, I got inspired by movies like 2001: A Space Odyssey, became obsessed with stars and galaxies. I'm Alejandro Soto. I am a planetary scientist, and I work for the Southwest Research Institute. I, in particular, specialize in both doing science but also engineering development for future space missions. So I have two types of tasks before me. When I'm doing my scientific research as an atmospheric modeler, I'm sitting at the computer, I'm programming, I'm analyzing results, I'm writing papers. But as I'm developing new instruments and spacecraft missions, that work involves more interaction with other people. And as a scientist, I sort of help drive that process because my role is to give a purpose to the instrument or the mission. The type of big picture questions I'm focused on is understanding large-scale energy transfer in the atmospheres of Mars, Titan, and Pluto, and how the atmospheric circulation interacts with the surface. What I find most motivating about my job is how excited other people who are not scientists get when they hear about the work I do. When you talk to someone, you start telling them, well, I've been thinking a lot about how lakes on Titan work, and they get excited about that. Someone who has nothing invested in it, that's what really motivates me. I got an undergraduate bachelor's degree in astronomy, didn't know what I wanted to do, so I ended up applying to a master's program in astronautics. While I was doing that, I figured out that I wanted to study planetary science, and that's when I made a plan where I would go and work for a number of years at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory as an engineer, after which I would apply to get my PhD in planetary science, which is what I ended up doing, and it worked out really well. So there are a number of skills that are useful for being a scientist. Writing is critical, and being able to write quickly and well is extremely important, but often what's forgotten is modern science is a social activity. All the really great cutting-edge stuff is done because a group of scientists and engineers comes together with an idea, works together, communicates together, and achieves something amazing. More and more, it's not just about being a seismologist or being an atmospheric scientist. It's really about being an earth scientist or a planetary scientist who can help integrate all those different data sets so that we can start understanding how our entire planetary system works. If one is interested in entering the field of science, but is coming from a space where you have no idea how the job is done, go out and find a mentor. Search out someone that looks like they're doing what you're doing and ask them, hey, will you help me? And I would say also the final thing too is perseverance. If you really want to stay in this field, you got to work hard at it. Sometimes it looks like there are a handful out there that everything comes easy. Most of us, we just get up in the morning, work hard, bang our heads against the desk until an idea comes to us, go back to sleep and start over. And as long as you love it, you can put in that hard work and you can get some amazing rewards out of it.